Hi guys, welcome back to Mad About Designs. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design this round coffee table using Autodesk Fusion 360 and how to render this into this. So without wasting time, let's get into it. First, create a new design by going to File and select New Design. Create new sketch, select the front plane, draw one line, horizontal line up to 35 centimeter. Another line, this time vertical line up to 22.5 centimeter. Press OK. Now go to fillet, select this corner point and set the dimension up to 10 centimeter. Stop sketch. Create another sketch. This time I will select this face. Draw a rectangle, center rectangle of 5 by 1.5 centimeter. Stop sketch. Now go to sweep command. Select this profile and for path, select this line. Press OK. Now select this face, create new sketch, draw one center rectangle on this midline. So go to rectangle and center on rectangle. The dimension of the rectangle will be 3 by 1 centimeter. I will draw another rectangle of 1 by 4 centimeter. Now select this line and this center and make the relation between them as midpoint. Go to sketch dimensions, select this line and set the distance between them as 1 centimeter. Stop sketch. Now go to extrude, select this profile and extrude it up to 34.25 centimeter and operation as new body. Press OK. Now turn on the visibility of the last sketch by going here and turn on the visibility of sketch 3. Now go to extrude, select this profile and extrude it up to 2 centimeter. Operation new body. Press OK. Now I want to pattern these 3 bodies. So go to create, pattern and select circular pattern. For bodies I will select 1, 2 and 3. And for the axis select this vertical line. Type full number of quantity 3. Press OK. Now combine these 3 bodies. So I will go to modify, combine, target body as this one and tool bodies these 2. Operation join, press OK. I will do the same thing for these 3 bodies. So go to modify, select combine, target body and tool bodies 1, 2. Operation join, press OK. Now select this face. I want to create a cylinder here. So go to create, select cylinder. The center of the cylinder will be this one and the diameter 68.5 centimeter. Press OK and the height will be 2 centimeter. Operation new body. Press OK. I will do the same thing here. So go to create, cylinder, select this face, the diameter of the cylinder 20 centimeter and the height 2 centimeter. Operation join, press OK. Now fillet the edges of these 2 bodies. So go to modify and select fillet. 1, 2, 3. These 3 edges and the fillet of 2.25 centimeter. Press OK. Now select this face and create new sketch. draw one line, vertical line, press OK, go to sketch dimension, select this line and this line and set the distance between them as 22.5 centimeter. Press enter, stop sketch. Now go to modify and select the option split body. For the body, this one, I am splitting to this one. Press OK. Here is our coffee table ready. Now assign some colors to it. So go to appearance by pressing A, scroll down, go to wood and select the 3D walnut glossy and drag it here. Except this one. In this body I will assign the bamboo light semi-gloss. Here is our coffee table ready. Now render this. So go to render, setting, set the brightness as 1000 and the background color a little bit white. Apply, OK. Now put this on render. And after 1 hour of rendering, this is the final result. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.